Hey y'all, Kara McLaney here with the Seth Brothers team at eXp Realty. I am walking a new construction home today that is clearly under construction. This is a Perry Homes out here in Richmond, Texas. Beautiful community. The price point of this home is $600,000 and the prices are about to increase in the next day or two. This home is a 4-bedroom home with 3.5 bathrooms, has a home office and a media room, so you can use those spaces however you choose. That 4th bedroom is actually a separate guest suite with its own bathroom. And this home has 8-foot tall doorways and extremely tall ceilings. The features in this home are absolutely beautiful, and this home will be ready in August. So it actually has no back neighbors and has this greenery space behind the home. And I'm excited to show this home to you. Let me know if you're interested in learning more. I would love to share the video with you. It is a 1-story home out in Stone Creek Estates built by Perry Homes. If you're interested in learning more, let me know.